Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to add a text in Figma. So let us open the project first. Guys, this is extremely simple. As you can see guys, on the bottom panel here, we have a T button. Also, the shortcut for this is T. Press on it. And now with this, just choose how much of this text you want to spread over your project in here, right? So, and then just choose, for example, this size. All right, it also shows, as you can see, size in pixels below. Okay, and now you just can type in this. This is a sample text. There you go. And of course, if you want to customize it, you can go in here onto this panel on the right, and of course choose the size, okay, of the text. As you can see, you can make it way bigger, the fonts, and just the entire customization of it. Right, so guys, pretty much this is it. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.